key measures in the coronavirus pandemic continue to rise in Mecklenburg County. Take a look at the new graphs released today showing over the past 14 days, hospitalizations, percent of positive tests, and social distancing numbers all got worse. Of course, we are now seeing thousands of people taking to the streets in protest with very little social distancing going on. And anchor John Paul spoke one-on-one with Mecklenburg County Health Director Gibby Harris today. She says she expects to see the number of cases go up because of the protests.
The protests that we have seen unfolding across our area, I mean, you've watched these, and from a health perspective, what are your concerns?
One of the things that we've been significantly concerned about from the COVID-19 perspective is the particular concern about mass gatherings. Although we opened things up with phase 2 through the governor's plan, the mass gatherings didn't expand very much. And we are seeing large numbers of people together in small spaces, some wearing masks, some not, definitely not social distancing. So it does provide some concern in terms of what we might see in the future related to COVID-19. I would expect to see some numbers go up based on the amount of engagement and involvement people have been having with each other over the last couple of days.
As you mentioned, it's hard to socially distance, but they are outside. Does that make a difference?
One of the concerns that I have is COVID is a respiratory infection. People who are being exposed to tear gas and other things like that, it affects their respiratory system. I have no idea whether that's going to put them at more at risk for that, but it might make it a little harder for them to fight off the virus.
Now, we also talked to Gibby Harris about the challenges of contact tracing if someone who was protesting tests positive. She says that would be a challenge, but the county has 170 contact tracers right now, up from about 100 contact tracers just a few weeks ago.